Yes, guys. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Farmyard is here again, my people. Yeah, I know it's been a while. Yeah, guys. I know it's been a while since I haven't posted for you guys. But, I mean, Farmyard is always here for you, alright? Yeah, Farmyard is always here for you, my people. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I haven't posted. Yeah, because yeah, a bit of difficulty. Yeah, a bit of difficulty. So let's see with me, guys. All right. Yeah. Today, we're gonna. I'm taking you on a tour. I'm taking all you guys on a tour today. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go over across in the bush behind my house down at the gully. Yeah, we're gonna see who we can find. You understand? Yeah, we're gonna see if we find fruit or we find any little thing we find. Alright? Yeah. So people, just stay tuned. Forward. We're gonna make a stroll. We're gonna make a hunt. You understand? Yeah man. Adventurous. That's the 40. We're there. Farmyard. Yeah guys. Good while I'm not showing the pick them too. Alright? I'm going to look a glimpse of them now. Here them is guys. You see them? Here they are guys. I'm gonna there they are. It's a big mumpy. See I don't mess up people. Yeah. Here guys. This is a guava tree. Guava them young. Them young right now. As you can see. Look at this one. Pretty young. Call this a guava. Okay? And them just start right now people. Them just start get them not even start fit yet. And that's my brother goat there. Right there. Yeah, this guys, this my people is you guys supposed to know what is this tree. It's a lime tree. Yeah, I use this to make lime juice. Yeah, cool lime juice. See that pretty one out there? Yeah, beautiful guys. There's it. Yeah. Yeah, we are on our tour. Yes guys, you guys supposed to know what is this. This is a ackee tree. Yeah, Jamaican dish. Jamaican favorite dish. Ackee and saltfish, you know it go. Yeah, ackee and saltfish my people. You know ackee eat with anything. Anything ackee eat with. Yeah. This is my brother pumpkin farm, guys. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Yeah, this is his plantain tree. Plantain tree, it's really powerful. As you can see, don't shoot as it though. It's a powerful tree. That look like one of the egg come out of the pen. See him guys? So them love come out, you know. Watch him. That's how they do. That's what they do. mama brought the goats. We're just making a adventurous tour today. Okay, guys? Yeah. And guys, yeah. Remember to don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget the post notification bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget to comment and tell me what you think about this adventure that we're going on now, alright? Yeah. It's been a while I haven't come down this side, guys. It's really been a while I haven't come down this side. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a tour down here in these dark bushes. See what we can find. Hope we find something though. Yeah, hope we find something. Yeah, guys, these places, ancient days. Yeah, it's my grandfather land. Yeah, all of this is my grandfather land. My grandfather, he died. Yeah, so the younger generation take it over. Yeah, and we need sticks to make things like cubs, hog pen and stuff. Down this side we head. We can get all the sticks down here. Okay? Yeah, but we're gonna go a little further down there. Yeah. This is pear tree. Yeah, this is a pear tree, but it's not ripening now. It's not bearing now. None is on it right now. Yeah. Water run at the roots, so that caused the whole tree, to tilt over on the other side. If you can see. Yeah, the tree gone over that side. Cause the water run in this stream here. Yeah. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Let we see what we can find today on this adventure. We call this a young cedar tree. Yeah, this is what used to make furniture. Yeah, but this is a baby one. Yeah. It look like rain is going to fall though, guys. Yeah, it look dark. Like the sky is overcast. But that can't stop us right now, as the rain don't start as yet. You guys, remember the last time I showed you these banana trees? Yeah, Can you see? You see them develop even more now? Yeah, even that one there shoot. As you can see. Yeah. See there? Banana. Yeah. That one shoot. You guys, one of the time down here in this where I'm standing right now. Right where I'm standing right now. Right here. A river come up here already. Yeah, a river come up at this section already and full up. Yeah. At that time it's like beer fun. Yeah, beer fun. Because people from all about come down here, you know, and swim and have a good time. Yeah. The day when the river dry up, trust me, are sad. Because the river bring a lot of joy down here and a lot of fun to us all. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, people, I'm here with you today, alright? I know it's been a while, but please see with me. Farmyard is here and never gonna go away, alright? Yeah, I'm here. So you can look for a content like every 2 days now. Okay? Yeah, there's a next small banana right there. Yeah, it don't have much on it. As I can see, let me see. Let us see there? Yeah, right there. Yes, guys, we are gonna take off up this side. I think a jackfruit tree up this side. I don't know if it's bearing right now. I'm gonna check it out. That's a kneesberry tree right there, but you don't have any kneesberry now. And this right here is a coffee. Yeah, this is a coffee tree. Yep, all these are coffee. All these tree right there. All these tree are coffee tree. Yeah, coffee dry up. You see them? Yeah, it's make pretty good coffee tea. Yeah. Alright, we're going up. Wow. The next banana. Beautiful one. Even though it just start develop, it don't develop that good as yet, but it's coming on. As you can see. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm going at that jackfruit tree. Looks like someone reap a banana here. Not long from now it look like. Yeah. Yeah, people, this tree is a coffee tree. Okay? Yeah, this is a big coffee tree. This is the tree where them use make boat. Yeah. This is the tree that they use to make boat. To go fishing. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Oh, jackfruit just start beer back peeps. Yeah, see it? Just start beer. These are babies. These are babies. Just start to develop back. Yeah. I'm come like one woman just pregnant. And then baby a family it up. You understand? Yeah. The jackfruit not ready yet as yet. Yeah, but at least we make a tour. And it don't finish as yet. Yeah. Okay. Alright my people, we are go up the hill here now. Yeah, walk go up this hill here now. Yes guys, this is touch. This is touch that they use make broom. Yeah, they use this make brooms. Okay? Yeah, they use this touch make brooms. Yeah. And sweep your yard well pretty good. No joke about that. You understand? Yeah guys. So and here's another big tree. Here's another big tree right here. Yeah, so if any of you guys want any touch to make any broom, or if you want any brooms, yeah, if you want any brooms, you can contact me, alright? Yeah, or if you want the touch to make the broom, you can contact Farmyard, Jamaica. Okay? Yeah. Now we're going upstream, up the line, up the hill. Guys, I have to be looking out for wasps. Yeah. Because I know wasps always they under the touch them. So I have to look for the wasp them. I don't want to get no sting up and make no have to laugh after me, you know. I don't want to get any sting up and make no have to laugh after me. I just swear me and get up out of here. Yes, guys. Pass and no wasp no flick up. That means none of the night. Means none of the in the touch. Alright guys, do you know what tree is this? Which one of you know what tree is this? What plant is this? What fruit is this? Huh? This is pine. Yeah. Many of you guys supposed to know what is this still, but I'm letting you know. All of you guys, cause I know it's not everybody know. Yeah, all of you guys in the United States, America, you know, New York, yeah, Canada, yeah, this is pine. Okay, and there's another one over there. Yeah, my grandfather planted these. I swear, it's a lot of years. Even this mango tree here. This is a stringy mango tree, guys. Yeah, it doesn't ripe. It's not ripening as yet. It's not ripening right now. It's not ripening right now, but and them ripe, them full. Tree full of mango. And them ripe. I swear. Guys, I just don't want no wasp to catch me. Yeah, my YouTubers, my YouTube family. I just want you to know I just want all you guys to know I'm always here for you guys, okay? Yeah, I'm always here. Yeah. It's just that I drop in a bit of difficulties. Yeah, with the pigs. You know, I run out of money and such. Yeah, I have to even sell some of the pigs. You know? Yeah. But I know I will get help soon. I know I will get help soon. Somebody out there is gonna see me and know that I really need the help and give me that help. Okay? Yeah, so me not worry myself. Me a Jamaican. We born enough. We have to just do what we have to do. You understand? Yeah, 7 time fall, whole heap of time rise. I just say them my people, so I just do what I have to do. Alright? Yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned, my people. We're just taking a tour today. Wherever you wanna go. Hey guys, we are tour the bush today. See what we can find. Anything we find today we satisfied with. Alright? If we don't find nothing, we're still satisfied. Alright. Yeah. I will never put on nothing over here. Yeah guys. Yeah, go through rocky. Whole heap of sticks and all sort of stuff. People don't laugh off of my selfie stick, you know. They don't laugh off of my selfie stick. A self-made. You hear my people? Self-made. This, I'm a selfie stick, a self-made. Yeah. Because we don't make no money yet, but we can buy what we want in a right way. You understand? Yeah. But I want if you can, you know, buy some of the realest tool them where the work would I need. Yeah, because I'm a phone me use. I'm gonna make something for put my phone in and make a selfie stick on it. Yeah, and it's comfortable same way. You understand? Yeah, even though it maybe look tight up, yeah, but that'll get better one day, man. That's how it go. Yeah, my people. That's how it go. Over here, so I'm past, I know my people. Yeah, if you can see good. I zoom in and I can see what I go on. Over there, so I'm past that, but I'm like a farming in a go on over there, what they come like say it stop. And start a bush grow up back in the place. To me see it. But apart of it still, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, my people. I go back that side of the car. I can dead end that this. Alright. Alright, guys. Be a bush tree now, guys. But people, the place look different though. Yeah, man, cause them place over there, so chop out. Over there, so chop out and look different, you know. Yeah, man. Over there, so look different. Alright, guys, you gotta go back. on the other side, cause not really find nothing up this side, so we'll go back down this side, alright? See what we can find. See what we can find. Back down this side, guys. And guys, please remember to subscribe, thumbs up, share, and comment. Okay, guys? Do remember, I'm begging you, please subscribe, thumbs up, share, and send a comment. Okay, guys? Yeah. Yeah, guys. And good thing we see a young jackfruit. Still, at least a walk, don't it? Yeah, at least a walk. Try look something. Hey guys, how many of you do know this tree? How many of you know this tree? This is a gourd. Yeah, call it the calabash. Yeah. Can't use it and make plates. Yeah. So the young one them drop off of the tree. You can use it make plate, you can use it make cup. Yeah. See here guys. Gourd drop off of the tree and burst to the other side over there. Yeah. This is a dry one. That's how them dry. That's how you get it dry. You cut it out, cut it in half, and clean out what's inside it, like this. You clean it out and make it dry. Yeah, and it turn plate, cups. Yes, guys. Calabash. Yeah. This is a calabash tree. Yeah. Yeah, guys. This is a young baby one. This is a baby one. Burst up. And that's a old skill bed over here. Cool skill. How many are you guys? You wanna know what happened to me? A maca cut my finger. Look there. Gosh. Maca cut my finger, guys. You see how it rough? Yeah, just for build content for you guys. That's a part of it. Your sweat have to run. Blood have to run if you want good. So I saw you go. Just one of them there. I understand. Hey guys, so I'm gonna close off for now. Yeah, so I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you guys keep your focus on what you're doing. Yeah, and just be yourself. Alright? Yeah, guys, just be yourself. And whatever you want to work will work. Just focus on what you want to accomplish and what you want to complete in life. You understand? Yeah. So guys, farmyard is here and you're gonna see more and more and more content from me. Okay? sorry for the what I should say now. Sorry for didn't attending to you at times, because it's been a while now since I haven't posted. You understand? Yeah, guys, but I'm here for you now. Okay? I'm gonna dress up this cut and get it up back. Alright? Yeah, because I lost a lot of blood. So, guys, remember, please, I'm begging you, subscribe, share, thumbs up, and comment. Tell me what you think about what I just showed you. Okay? Even though we go to find something but we didn't find anything, yeah, I'm heading back out the bush now, because as you can see, I'm still in the wilderness. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out back now and get this cut fixed up. So guys, stay safe and peace. Okay.